Hello, in today's quick video we will be talking about ChatGPT's use in marketing. So we will explore the ChatGPT, how can it be used in marketing to personalize interactions with customers, generate high quality content and streamline your sales and support process. So one of the key ways that ChatGPT can be used in marketing is through the certain of chatbots. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can provide customers with personalized recommendations, answer questions, and make purchases on their behalf. This can help business provide more seamless customer experience and increase conversations. ChatGPT can also be used to generate high quality content, making it a purpose to include blog posts, social media posts, and produce descriptions. By using ChatGPT to generate content, marketers can save time and resources while still producing content that is engaging and relevant to their audience. Uh, it can lead to generations. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can be used to qualify leads by asking questions and collect information. This can help a business identify potential customers and prioritize their sales effort. By using chatbots to qualify leads, marketers can improve the efficiency in their sales processing and focus on most promising prospects. So, customer support. Finally, chatbots powered by ChatGPT can be used to provide 24/7 customer service by answering questions, resolving issues in real time. Businesses can provide a better customer experience and reduce work on their support teams. This can lead to high customer satisfaction and improve brand loyalty. Here, so on the screen, we ask ChatGPT for some benefits. We have here some benefits, of course: 24/7 availability, personalization, cost effective, data collection, analysis, and so on and so on. It can do much more. You can ask it. For example, we have here an example. You can pause the video, you can read it. And for the conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for marketers looking to improve customer engagement, generate high quality content, and streamline their sales and support process. So, if you guys enjoyed this quick informational video, please leave us share, leave a subscribe, leave a like. And if you need something, just ask in the comments, we can do it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.